Welcome again to another episode of the Macworld video podcast. I'm Philip Michaels. Macworld Expo, always one of the biggest news events of the Mac year, and the biggest news event at Macworld Expo is, of course, Steve Jobs' opening keynote. That was today. Steve Jobs had two announcements highlighting his keynote. One, the $299 Apple TV. That's the product you might formerly know as the iTV. That's the set-top box that will pass multimedia from your computer to your television set. The other big announcement, the iPhone, a $499 cellular phone that will ship in June. We have all the details at Macworld.com, and we have someone else who can give you more details on it. Let's go to some video highlights of Steve Jobs' keynote from Tuesday.
I'd like to talk about a product we introduced in September. It was called, the code name is iTV. We have a new name for it. It's called Apple TV. And Apple TV is a way to enjoy your media on your big screen TV. So let's backtrack and talk about what we did when we previewed this in September. You can buy great content on the iTunes Music Store, movies, TV shows, and music, of course. And you can download it to your computer, be it a PC or a Mac. I'm going to use a Mac here. You can put other content on your computer from other places too, of course. And you can put that content on your iPod, right? Now you can go out and buy a widescreen TV, hook up an Apple TV to it, and wirelessly transmit that content from your PC to your Apple TV and watch it on your big screen TV. It's that simple. This is it. Let's take a look at around the back and the connectors to refresh ourselves. We have a power connector, USB 2, and Ethernet. We have Wi-Fi wireless networking built in, and then we have ways to get video out. An HDMI connector, which is digital audio and video, or component video and analog and digital audio. Let me tell you a little more in-depth about what this box does. First of all, it delivers up to 720p high-definition video, right? Number one. Number two, it's got a 40-gigabyte hard drive inside it, so it will store up to 50 hours of video, which comes in handy for something I'm about to show you. And it has 802.11 Wi-Fi wireless networking, and it's got all three of the popular standards. It's got B, G, and the new Draft N standard, which is really, really fast. And it's got an Intel processor in it, so it's got the processing horsepower to do the kinds of user interfaces we like to do. So it's a really cool box. Auto sync from one computer. What does this mean? It means you can take one of the computers in your house, and right from iTunes, just like you would set up an iPod, you can set up your Apple TV. Now, I can also stream from up to 5 computers. In this case, I'm going to take content from 5 computers, and I can watch it on Apple TV, but I will not store it on the hard drive. So this is Apple TV, and why don't we go ahead and show it to you? You can control it with this very simple remote. So let's go see a demo. This is the screensaver. Takes all your photographs here and just puts them on your TV, and they're gorgeous, because as you know, photography these days is high def with these amazing digital cameras that we have. So let's go into the main menu of iTV. And here's what it looks like. We've got movies, TV shows, music, podcasts, photos. So let's go into movies here. And we go into movies. And let's see here now. We have all my movies that are stored on iTV, as well as the iTunes top movies. I can go see what's selling on iTunes and stream it down and watch it on iTV. I can also look at theatrical trailers. Again, this is not stored on iTV. This is actually coming over the live internet into my house through my internet gateway, wirelessly to Apple TV, and I can watch theatrical trailers streaming right from Apple.com. So let's go in here, and what's a cool trailer? I'm going to watch, there's one called The Good Shepherd. Where'd it go? Oh, gee, Good Shepherd. There we go. Boom. So let's watch this. I just click on it, and this is streaming live from Apple.com.
Everybody has secrets to tell. My secrets are bigger than others.
So we think this is pretty cool. Apple TV, movies, TV shows, music, and photos, all on your widescreen TV. We're really excited about it. So Apple TV It's going to be priced at $299, right? $299 with all this built in. And we're going to be shipping them next month in February, and we are taking orders starting today. So, Apple TV, enjoy your media on your big screen TV. We think this is going to be really something quite special. Apple TV. Today, we're introducing 3 revolutionary products of this class. A widescreen iPod with touch controls, a revolutionary mobile phone, and a breakthrough internet communications device. An iPod, a phone, and an internet communicator. These are not 3 separate devices. This is one device. And we are calling it iPhone. Today, Apple is going to reinvent the phone. So, we're going to reinvent the phone. Now, we're going to start with a revolutionary user interface. Is the result of years of research and development. And, of course, it's an interplay of hardware and software. But what we're going to do is get rid of all these buttons and just make a giant screen. A giant screen. Now, how are we going to communicate this? We don't want to carry around a mouse, right? So what are we going to do? Oh, a stylus, right? We're going to use a stylus. No. No. Who wants a stylus? You have to get them and put them away and you lose them. Yuck. Nobody wants a stylus. So let's not use a stylus. We're going to use the best pointing device in the world. We're born with 10 of them. We're going to use our fingers. We're going to touch this with our fingers. And we have invented a new technology called multi-touch, which is phenomenal. It works like magic. You don't need a stylus. It's far more accurate than any touch display that's ever been shipped. It ignores unintended touches. It's super smart. You can do multi-finger gestures on it. And boy, have we patented it. So, the second thing we're doing is we're learning from the iPod, syncing with iTunes. You know, we're going to ship our 100 millionth iPod this year, and that's tens of millions of people that know how to sync these devices with their PCs or Mac and sync all of their media right onto their iPod, right? So you just drop your iPod in, and it automatically syncs. You're going to do the same thing with iPhone. And iTunes is going to sync all your media onto your iPhone, your music, your audiobooks, podcasts, movies, TV shows, music videos, but it also syncs a ton of data. Your contacts, your calendars, and your photos, which you can get on your iPod today, your notes, your bookmarks from your web browser, your email accounts, your whole email setup, all that stuff can be moved over to iPhone completely automatically. So we want to let you use contacts like never before. You can sync your iPhone with your PC or Mac and bring down all your contacts right into your phone. So you've got everybody's numbers with you at all times. We have something that's going to revolutionize voicemail today. We call it visual voicemail. Wouldn't it be great if you had 6 voicemails, if you didn't have to listen to 5 of them first before you wanted to listen to the 6th? Wouldn't that be great if you had random access voicemail? Well, we've got it. Just like email, you can go directly to the voicemails that interest you. Excellent audio quality. iPhone is a quad-band GSM plus Edge phone. We've decided to go with the most popular international standard, which is GSM. We're on that bandwagon, headed on that roadmap, and plan to make 3G phones and all sorts of other amazing things in the future. So quad-band GSM plus Edge, and of course we have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 2.0 EDR built in as well.